prior so MP and a member of Communications and Information Committee of Parliament. SIM registration in Hong Kong. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning.
Now, put me there.
Yes, sir. Do more.
Eda okropon ase. Menim say mrashe for the moon sheda any bre papa. But quickly on SIM registration, menim say what to say baso and na most of mrashe bi fi ntimu de mo animu a. Na 2021-2023 de no. Sam George, Honorable Minister for Communications, say amwaye na ene omo de data no compare emfa nti yesi esaye ni nyina efoforo mo ahwe nkrata mu omrahye bedwafie no ma nyina no ya na report no ne ho nsenkae no obeka ne mrahye bedwafie ede ne moate aye nim
yo me da say betin na on fam be dan mrahye bedwam amaye hu no butaenti a on ba be sim card registration the man say on why friends and so for and essential for Kasa. And Mampini as a couple so baby said Canadian it wasn't really successful. But that is not the case.
And the Honorable Obeso say up till now, a mom na should be the few crab among the womb. Wow.
But
but I learned so already in the parliament.
I was a briefing committee now.
Okay, committee no briefing. Okay, yeah. Right. Okay.
The reality is that the previous registration it's not registered for 40 SIM card, 40 million. Comment says you say the don't wanna kita idea about one SIM card. At least obia okita MTN and not the telesakra abono and also the account and we are kita 2 phones name 3 phones name so the previous registration was very successful.
Right.
The minister can say it was not successful. Now Sebio Otran Contempo Krena or they dying they do.
Say omoye assessment of previous data no na epiemu say sample omo file no kakra bi de nanso some percentage almost about 20%, just about 19 to 20% ain't me verified on the NIA database, which is a matter of concern. Anna,
it's a matter of concern. So what happens then is if you have 100 people and 20 of them are unable to get their SIM verified on the NIA database, all you need to do is to fish out the 20 people and get them to come and do re-registration.
Okay.
Come and do some level of verification. Because what it tells you is about 80 of the 100 people now, almost sample, I've had their cards verified in the system of the NIA. And why would you want the 80 people to come and queue, to come and re-register? Why would you want that?
Mm-hmm.
So that is our term.
Okay. But your previous registration, no, utie de mampani kanwa. Say because of say na collaboration anyhow between the institutions, NIA and the ministry itself, communication ministry, no, because of personal many issues between Nhyira Tafua and then Asla. It reminds me anya proper communication to sign the data. Na Sabreno, me pese mi hu. What was the supervisory ruler aban wan kasa mu mpanimfo e play ye so obehwese ministry no ebeye de sene fata nanko ni NIA atimi abom because there was a letter where executive secretary for Ghana Telecommunications no Nhyira Kenneth Ashigbe ekobisa NIA say app no a omo be use na nkasa no opeso ohu say app no ejinemu ebetumi aboa omo NIA ka say omo ntumi emfa omo sense so enkase app no mbetumi adi ho adanse ana ombe verify say eye ana emwaye and so yehu say there are problems with it at the end of the day. Edie nema yentimi anhwe ni ya yenya, I mean, the total expectations number, sir?
Well, you see, that those were the flaws of the previous registration exercise. But you see, the involvement of the NIA in all this situation was not for NIA to deal directly with the holders of the SIM card.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, it is the NCA through the telcos that were registering the people. What was lacking was the integration between the NIA and the NCA.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Now the NCA has a database in their systems.
Mm-hmm.
The NIA also have their database.
Separate
Why would
database.
you want to punish the Ghanaian person by asking the person whose database with the NCA to now go back and do re-registration?
Yeah.
When you have confirmed that 80% of the data that you have been successful when you simulated through the NIA system.
I think that we all on the same page as to why all of us should go back and register. Now, Sisi Ankasano Enyaba. Is there any way maybe a more minority no more thinking suggest to say Sam George ebi to me afaswa ebinya that nipa kakra no a ewumu a entumi enye ye no wo mbetumi afaswa mo matumi aye as a communication committee?
Well, we'll suggest that in Parliament this week. We
This
are
week.
hoping that it will come up. We'll suggest that in Parliament this week.
Mm.
And once that is done, we are certain that we would get things done properly.
Obema ya hint kakra.
With
what some of these proposals will be.
Today it's likely we may hold a press conference. Let me not.
And yeah.
Out of the seal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Then we'll monitor.
One that is,
Sure.
one that is done.
Sure. But ehun sikasem no.
Yeah.
Why you be paying it to say?
The previous year, even with registering 40 million people, did not cost the taxpayer something 140 million Ghana cedis. Amount for speculative, but that wasn't the cost.
Mm-hmm. Cost is saying.
I may have to check, but I know that wasn't the cost.
But on mine kakra.
Of course. Until I may feel that I can. And was here, if we can integrate the two systems.
But some George say o mine in Nhyira we the telcos na be faka.
Oh, na telcos no okofaka ndi ide. Telcos no okofaka. It will just relay them cost no to the ordinary Ghanaian.
Yeah, na ebetua.
Yeah, na ebetua.
Data ne airtime no.
Hene.
You better try press conference no.
All right.
Na ya ready wom. Honorable Medasi Anope. All right. Honorable Davis Ansa Puku and Prior Sumrashibidweni, member of Communications and Information Committee of Parliament on the SIM card registration. Fact checker, Eugene Osetu to the fact checker.